Today marks a significant milestone for first year students as they officially matriculate and begin their academic journey. But beyond this celebration, there's a deeper story. Out of all the university, why this institution, and what habits do they have to overcome to succeed here? I'm Akushika. Welcome to Campus Vibe. Let's hear what the freshers have to say. I'm Akushika, and who do I have with me?
Ruben.
Okay, so out of all the universities, why ATU?
Everyone knows that ATU is the best technical school in Ghana currently. And then, you know, everybody wants their best. Yeah, that's why I chose ATU.
Okay, so if any other top universities call you to come over, like come to their school, are you going to transfer?
Talking about the transfer, for right now, I'm doing my preferred course here. So I don't think there will be a reason for me to go if they are also offering the same courses. And after all, we still have the best lecturers also here. Yes.
Okay. So what weakness or habit do you think you have to overcome to succeed here?
For ATU, we always know that university is determination, hard work, and then how you yourself you want to make yourself to be one day in future. Yeah. So I can say all you need is to work hard towards your academics, and then you are good to go.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, rate how disciplined you are.
Oh, okay. At least I can say 8, 9.
8 is very disciplined. Okay, so are you confident that you graduate?
Of course, since I'm here, I will definitely graduate. Yes, because I am not going to play around.
Thank you very much. Hello, I'm Akushika. Who do I have with me?
Yeah, I'm Jemima.
You're pretty though. Okay, so out of all the universities, why ATU?
I chose ATU because it's the best technical schools in Ghana.
Oh, okay, so are you saying that if other top universities call you, you're not going to go or you're not going to transfer?
Nah, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. So what attitude or behavior do you think is going to affect you if you do not desist from?
It's being shy. I'm a shy type, yeah. And I don't know, in the open, people think I'm bold, but within me, I'm a shy type. I get shy of certain things that I can't do in public. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
10, 10 on 10.
So you are confident you're going to graduate.
Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Thank you very much. That's lovely. Okay, hello, I'm Akushika. Who do I have with me?
Watson Jackson.
Oh, Jackson, Michael Jackson. Just a normal Jackson. Okay, so the question on board is out of all the universities, why ATU?
Oh, the reason why I chose ATU, for instance, is to meet my dream. Like, it's a very best institution that I see to meet my standard or my dreams that I want to pursue in future. And basically, it's the best technical university in Ghana now. So that's a very perfect.
Okay, so are you saying that if other universities or other top universities call you, you're not transferring?
No, not at all. Not at all. I like, I really love ATU per se. So I'm not even thinking of that.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
Okay, so what attitude, what habits or behavior of yours is going to um hinder your progress or you succeeding?
Oh, I think for my course I offer, there are two major like behaviors that if I persuade or I try to do it, it won't help. That's fear, then shyness. These two, it won't help at all.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
Of disciplinarity, I'll say 8.5. Yeah.
Why not 10?
Mm, I can't rate myself to that high esteem, so I'll just give myself a normal rating. That's 8.5.
But are you confident you graduate?
Very, very 100%. With this one, 100%.
Thank you very much. It was lovely interviewing you. Hello, I'm Akushika. Who do I have with me?
I'm KDS.
KDS. What does it stand for?
Can do spirits.
Can do spirit. I love your spirit though. Okay, so out of all the universities, why ATU?
Yeah, because it's you have facilities here. This is the first technical school in Ghana and also the fourth university in Ghana. Yeah, it's one of the best schools.
So are you saying if other university or other top universities call you, you're not going to transfer?
Oh, nah, nah, I am here in ATU and I love ATU.
Are you sure? Sure, sure.
Sure, sure.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
1,000. Yeah, 1,000.
Okay, lovely. So you're confident you're going to graduate?
Yeah, I'm really, really confident. Sure.
Confident.
Yeah.
Akishika, who is this pretty lady?
I'm Rosalind.
Rosalind, as pretty as you are, yeah.
Oh,
Your name fits you. Edini Honanse. Okay, so out of all the universities, why ATU?
oh, it's a nice school. They have facilities which help us to do whatever we want to do because I'm a fashion student and I need to get facilities to do what I'm expected to do here. Like other schools don't really have facilities like how ATU has facilities. That's the main purpose I came here. And I've been hearing people saying, yeah, it's a difficult school and I don't know why. As you came here to learn, so why is it difficult for you to learn? Isn't it? I don't really understand people why they're saying here is difficult. I don't see it to be difficult. It's just the homeworks are too many. That's it. They are too many. There are a lot. Every day, every lecturer comes and give us homework a lot. So I don't even know. Sometimes you'll be like, oh, I'm so tired. I won't do some. The lecturer will be, the next day you'll be like, please, you guys should come and submit your assignment. You'll be like, oh, sir, you are not done, you are not done. And then they'll be like, okay, so next week you guys should submit them. I don't see anything difficult about this school. I don't know why people are talking like that. So I think here is a cool school. And I would like other people to also come and study at AT because it's a nice, we have everything here. Yeah, everybody should come to AT. Yeah. So that's all I have about ATU.
Okay, so if other universities call you or ask you to come, you're not going to transfer.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm staying here till I graduate. Yeah.
Okay, so are you confident you graduate?
Yes, I'm confident. I will. It's all about studying, so I'm going to study hard.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
Me, I'm eight, 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 eight. Yeah, I'm disciplined. I'm very disciplined. I don't break rules and stuff, so I'm disciplined.
Thank you very much. Hello, I'm Akishika and
I'm Ella and you?
you are
Ella.
Ella. Oh, okay. Ella, Emanuela. Okay, sure. Okay, so out of all the universities, why ATU?
Okay. I didn't choose ATU. Yeah. But I got a chance to enter into ATU because I was writing my WASI and I didn't know I would pass because the WASI was very, very difficult, but I didn't know I would pass. So I thought that after my WASI results come, then I would choose Legon. But me choosing Legon, I didn't get it because the forms are they've closed all their this one. So my brother told me yes, a school year 80. So he did everything for me. I didn't do anything. He did everything for me, and I got it. I got into ATU.
Oh, okay, so please come closer. So if any other university or any other top university calls you, are you going to transfer from ATU?
No, I'm not going to transfer from ATU
Why?
because I've been chosen to this school. I'm not going to transfer it because they are top. But no, as you can be top, you have to get me. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
I'm okay. I'm buying 8.5. I'm not that I'm very stubborn though. I'm not disciplined. But 8.5. You can't come to my family and you won't be disciplined. My yeah.
So it is the family, it's not you.
It's not me. It's not me.
Okay, so are you confident you're going to graduate?
Yeah, I'm confident I'm going to graduate.
And then if anything should go wrong or anything happens, who do you think is going to blame you? Or if anything tough or you're facing anything tough or anything happens,
My father. It's my father that will going to blame me because he paid most 5,000 school fees and you're not learning and you're doing all those kind of stuff. He is going to get annoyed. And me, my friends are very strict on her, so he's going to get annoyed.
Oh, okay, so what attitude do you think you have to desist from if you want to succeed here?
Don't follow friends. Yeah. And also don't let them advise you in such a bad way. Yeah. Just stick to what you're coming to do and be focused. That's what I have to tell people.
Okay, thank you very much. It was lovely. Akushika, who do I have on me?
Pascal.
Pascal's theorem.
So Pascal Prosper.
Pascal Prosper. Oh, okay.
Delbert.
Delbert. Ish.
Delbert.
Delbert.
The first time I'm hearing this name, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm also, rare, so the name is so rare.
Okay, nice, nice. So out of the universities, why ATU?
Because I'm I love it. That's why. Yeah. And then one thing I realized is because of the lectures. Yeah, that's why I love it. But okay, one thing I also want AT to actually improve on is their structure, in the sense that when it's time for lectures, sometimes there is no chair and stuff. You have to be going out looking for chairs and stuff. So I would like AT to actually improve on that. So that's actually fair enough. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how about you?
For me, you see that scripture says that when you're in mother's belly, I knew you. So me, in my mother's belly, I had it in mind. And I was like, you have people you have to admire. I had a lot of friends, also seniors and other things. So it gave me, oh no, I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking the truth. They advised me that I should come here because of it's more practical, more loving. It's not like the other schools that they do, what is the name? Extension of SHSCC. I don't want to mention names here. The extension, yes, this you have freedom, you have the right to, you can do whatever you want to, all that stuff. And yet you have your peace of mind. And also, it's close to where I stay. Take it from Madina to, I think it's just ACD. It's not just ACD, I'm not that rich, but ACD in and out, let's say maybe 16 city or, or let's say 20 city average because I buy water. Yeah.
How about ADB?
Patron or wow.
Okay, so are you saying if other universities score you, you're not going to transfer?
No, no.
Only if, only if they, then what's I say? Only if they'll pay my fees.
Only if they'll pay your fees. Oh, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, rate how disciplined you are.
It's
8.
They say we should do today's matriculation. I see the dress, I don't have to talk much. You can see this 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, I beg. He's very disciplined. Okay, so thank you very much. Makishika, who do I have with me?
I have you have a list somewhere.
And
Rebecca question.
oh, lovely. So out of all the universities, why ATU?
Because it's one of the best.
Ah,
And you? Same.
okay. So if any other university calls you, are you going to transfer?
Nah,
Sure.
I'm sure.
How sure?
I'm 100% sure because they have the lectures are good. I don't know, yeah. They are really good.
Ah, okay. How about you?
The environment is a plus for me. I like the environment. It's serene. It's not so big, so you don't find it difficult to locate your class. Yes, that's what
Oh, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
I'll say 7.
Oh, 7.
Can you repeat the question?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how disciplined are you?
6.
Oh, that low.
It's not
It's
low, it's
above
average.
average. It's
Oh,
above
okay,
average.
okay. Okay, so what attitude or what behavior do you think you have to desist from to succeed here?
Procrastination.
See, you also fast. What about you?
The same thing is procrastination.
Oh, procrastination is a thief of time. Oh, so if you do not change, it's going to affect you, right?
Yeah.
So, but how confident are you? Are you confident that you're going to graduate?
Of course. That's what we are here for.
We are here for.
Yes, we are here to acquire knowledge. So I'm here because of my course and also to study hard, to become a better person in the future.
Ah, thank you very much. Okay, they wear the gown with excitement. In a few years, they'll wear it with accomplishment or regret. Promises have been made. The journey has begun. Now the question is, who is standing at graduation? This has been Akushika on Campus Vibe with Mark. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.